Catalyst Northwest is a nonprofit that really works with low-income homeowners that need dire repairs on their home. So we just installed our second project this year with Catalyst for a single mom named Sherry, who has her 13-year-old daughter at home. She's also the primary caregiver for her ailing mother. We just did a project of installing 12 retrofit windows into her 1890s home. You can imagine all the problems that come with a 130-year-old home. These were original wood windows, most of which did not open. No ventilation, really provided no protection from the cold or the heat. The fact that we have a very true to this historic home window that looks beautiful, looks like a wood window, and we're doing right by this historic home by putting in Renewal by Andersen windows. Who assisted us on that project was Paul and his team, and Victor and his team. With Catalyst, we've done about 8 projects, but we've probably done about 12 or 13 projects total in the last several years.